They're very interesting. Sharon, you be like sitting on my phone, they ring for upstairs. Go bring them. Now mama Idia may they call me so. Go bring them fast before it cuts. Okay. Which one be the one where they walk out like snake? Go bring the phone before it cuts now. Wait till they worry you. I mean, I cannot be running now. What will now happen to my steez? See speaking.
Dissolve!
Something, be like say this your head. This your head, not the alright. Which one be the one where they talk say you go sneeze? If you sneeze, don't call what happen. Yeah. My head. Oh, you still there? You are still there. Do you want me to come and give you another one?
Run.
Rubbish. Now the phone go cut. Wait, I won't go tell mama Idia me so. Ha! She will sneeze. Waiting go happen if she sneeze.